Here's how to fix your PC needs to be repaired error in Windows 10 or 11. Now the first solution is you want to use Windows Recovery Media. For that you can use USB or DVD. Insert a bootable Windows USB or DVD, restart your PC and press the boot menu key to boot from the USB. Now select your language and then click Next. Click Repair your computer. Now choose Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type these commands one by one. First type disk part, then press enter, then type list space disk, then press enter. Now type select space disk space 0 and press enter. Now type list space partition and press enter. Then type select space partition space 2 and press enter. Then type assign space letter equals B and press enter. Then type exit and press enter. Now type format space B colon space slash FS colon FAT32 and press enter. Now type BCD boot space C colon slash Windows space slash S space B colon slash F space UEFI and press enter. Now you can close the command prompt. Then click continue. After restart, Windows will open smoothly, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.